Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the best mirrorless cameras have the features and performance to take your photography to the next level. Swapping mirrors for electronic sensors, the top mirrorless models are more compact and more versatile than even the best DSLR cameras. Many are also very capable when it comes to shooting video. And there are options available to fit a range of budgets, from entry-level cameras to premium models. We've put together this guide to help you find the right mirrorless camera at the right price. After countless hours of real-world testing, we've highlighted our favorite options for novices, enthusiasts and seasoned shooters. You'll find that some of the models we've picked below are not only among the top mirrorless options available but also rank among some of the best cameras on the market right now. You'll find excellent models for photography, some of the best video cameras, and even hybrid mirrorless options as well as full-frame cameras. Number 5. Sony Alpha A6400. Next Gen Speed. Experience the world's fastest 0.02 sec AF with real-time AF and object tracking enhanced subject capture. Wide 425 phase, 425 contrast detection points over 84% of the sensor fast and accurate. Up to 11 fps continuous shooting at 24. 2 megapixels RAW with crisp, clear natural colors multiple movie functions. Make time-lapse movies or slow, quick motion videos without post-processing tiltable LCD screen. Customizable for vlogging, still photography or recording a professional film in the box. Rechargeable battery, NPFW50, AC adapter, ACUUD12, shoulder strap, body cap, accessory shoe cap, eyepiece cup, micro USB cable. Metering range. -2 to 20 EV brand Sony model name Ilche 6400B form factor mirrorless effective still resolution 24.2 megapixels special feature BIONZX image processor. 425 phase and contrast detect AF points. Built-in flash. Real-time IAF and real-time tracking BIONZX image processor. 425 phase and contrast detect AF points. Built-in flash. Real-time IAF and real-time tracking. Optical zoom 2x color black connectivity technology Bluetooth, USB, HDMI, NFC screen size 3 inches photo sensor size full frame, 35mm. Number 4. Sony A7 III, advanced 24.2 megapixels BSI full frame image sensor with 1.8x readout speed 15 stop dynamic range, 14-bit uncompressed RAW, ISO 50 to 200 4800. Compatible with Sony E-mount lenses. Can be connected via Bluetooth with smartphones featuring, as of the date of release. Android 5.0 or later, Bluetooth 4.0 or later, iOS, Bluetooth 4.0 or later, up to 10 fps silent or mechanical shutter with AF tracking. Battery life, still images, approximately 610 shots, viewfinder, approximately 710 shots, LCD monitor, battery life, movie, continuous recording, approximately 200 minutes, viewfinder, approximately 210 minutes, LCD monitor, 693 phase detection, 425 contrast AF points with 93% image coverage. Focus sensor. Exmor R CMOS sensor in the box. Rechargeable battery, NPFZ100, AC adapter, ACUUD12, shoulder strap, body cap, accessory shoe cap, eyepiece cup, micro USB cable. Metering type. 1200 zone evaluative metering. Number 3. Nikon Z6, Solk large, full frame Z-mount for revolutionary optical performance Nikon Design 24. 5 megapixels backside illuminated image sensor 273 point on sensor phase detect AF system up to 12 fps, 4K Ultra HD video, 6K time lapse, 1080p, 120 fps slow motion compatible with Nikkor Z lenses, over 360 f-mount Nikkor lenses. Model name Nikon Z6 full frame mirrorless camera body form factor mirrorless effective still resolution 24.5 megapixels special feature sling strap optical zoom 1 color black connectivity technology Bluetooth, USB, HDMI screen size 3.2 inches photo sensor size full frame, 35mm. Number 2. Fujifilm X-T4, putting stability in your hands. A huge part of creating great photos or videos is making sure you are in the right place at the right time, and that often means making handheld images to get to the heart of the action. X-T4's state-of-the-art, 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBIS, provides up to 6.5 stops of image stabilization to make sure that, even in the midst of all the excitement, your images remain steady and sharp. Combine this with the new 4-axis digital image stabilizer, and you have lots of room to maneuver. Performance you can rely on. For any serious image maker, having a tool that can be relied upon to perform flawlessly whenever it is required is extremely important. For this reason, X-T4 features a newly developed mechanical shutter that is the fastest and most robust in the history of the X series. Not only can it make images at 15 frames per second, but it is also rated for 300,000 actuations too. When you combine this with its larger capacity battery that is capable of up to 600 frames per charge too, X-T4 has the power and the durability to give you the peace of mind that you'll never miss the perfect opportunity. Number 1. Panasonic Lumix S5. RAW, a lightweight, powerful hybrid camera for vibrant still photography and cinematic video. Realize your creative vision with extraordinary 4K 60p, 10-bit video, FHD 180 FPS slow motion option as well as 4:3 anamorphic support. Detailed photo and video that will delight enthusiasts and experts alike. Capture content in impressive high quality with 96 megapixels high-resolution mode, dual native ISO to minimize noise in high sensitivity and V-Log, V-Gamut with 14+ stop dynamic range. Improved high-precision autofocus and powerful image stabilization. Improved autofocus includes detection of the head as well as eyes, face and body, to capture subjects with ease and precision. 5-axis dual IS2 enables 6.5 stop slower shutter speed. Expanded features offer new levels of creativity. Use Live View Composite mode to instantly create a stunning image out of several live shots to capture fireworks or a starry sky.